Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the PayPal crypto wallet. First, open your PayPal application on your mobile device or log in through a web browser. Once you are logged in, look for the crypto section, usually found on your main dashboard. Before you can buy or sell, PayPal requires identity verification to ensure security and compliance. This process typically involves providing some personal information and may take a few minutes to complete. Once your account is verified, buying cryptocurrency is straightforward. Tap on the Buy option and select from the available cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, enter the amount you wish to purchase. You can buy as little as $1 worth. Always review your order carefully, checking the amount and the current exchange rate before you finalize the purchase with a simple tap. Selling your cryptocurrency is just as easy as buying it. Navigate back to the crypto section and select the Sell option. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to sell, for example, 1/10 of an Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to convert back into US dollars. After reviewing the current market price and the total amount you will receive, confirm the sale, and the funds will be deposited directly into your PayPal balance. Managing your crypto portfolio on PayPal is simple. You can view your current holdings and a detailed transaction history within the crypto section. It's important to understand the fees involved. PayPal charges a small fee for both buying and selling cryptocurrency. These fees are clearly displayed before you confirm any transaction and typically range from 50 cents for small amounts up to 1.5% for larger purchases. Always check the fee structure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.